There they are, those busy yummies.
Wow. Hello, yummies.
Blue.
Yellow. Red. Green. Come on, join us. Flitterbug. Look at that twinkle and shine.
Yes, beautiful flitterbugs lighting up the sky.
Look, Grandma Liba, for a yummy size. Yummy size.
Dandelions growing big and strong.
Big and strong like me. And I like you too, Baba. Here. Huh? They want you to plant a fuzzy flower, Baba. It was a fuzzy seed all along.
Yes, it must have floated here on the breeze to find a place to settle and grow.
Now it can grow big and strong. Big and strong. Just like us. Blueberry. Thank you. Wow, a blueberry for us to eat, Baba. Nom nom nom.
Well done, everyone.
Look, Grandma Liba, we're both yummy-sized. Yummy-sized.
Oh, so you are.
Teddy bear is teddy-sized. Where's Yellow, Yummy?
Yellow.
Oh dear.
Aww. Hug. Yes. A big hug to make you better.
Yummy hug.
Yes, sometimes we all need a hug. And a picnic snack before bedtime.
Yum. Thanks. Yum, 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 yum.
Yes, a big stretch after a busy day. Up into the sky.
Bye. Thanks for the teddy bear picnic. Thanks, yummies.
The sun dips slowly in the sky. It shines on the lullaby lake. MeMo, Baba, breathing deep. You're both on your way to me. Are you ready for a story to send you to BeddyByes?
Yes, Grandma Liba. So is Teddy.
It was a day like today, when you had a fall, Baba. So MeMo made things better with a hug.
Hug.
A hug is sometimes all you need to make things better. So when Teddy took a tumble too, you gave Teddy a big hug. So big, Teddy made a huggy noise. Then you took Teddy to the land of the yummies, where you had a picnic, and followed a lullaby home to me, to tell the story of two little friends and their busy day, side by side, safe and snug. And now it's time to close our eyes. Good night, MeMo. Good night, Baba, my sleepy, huggy friends.
Yellow!
Green.
Blue!
Red. Look, Yummies, a present.
Ooh, what's in it?
Unwrap it and see. Oh, still no present.
Well, this is very strange.
Come and have some soup.
Yes, please. Flitterbugs! Look at that twinkle and shine.
Beautiful flitterbugs lighting up the sky.
We're yummy-sized.
So you are.
So you don't get messy.
Sounds like everyone is enjoying their soup.
All gone. Thank you for the soup, Yummies.
You two sound sleepy. Reaching high, up to the sky.
Thank you, Yummies. Thank you, Yummies.
Bye, Nina. Thank you.
It's Funky and Punky. Your turn.
Maybe this time we'll find out what it is.
Ah. Thank you, Tweety.
A Tweety skims across the shore as you sail on the lullaby lake. Breathing gently, barely awake. The sun dips slowly in the sky and it shines on the lullaby lake. MeMo, Baba, breathing deep, you're both on your way to me. Are you ready for a story to send you to BeddyByes?
Yes, Grandma Liba.
How about one more turn unwrapping your present first? What is it?
A book.
So it is. It was a day like today when you took it in turns to water a little dancing flower.
We danced too.
That's right. Then you gently swung on a swing on the play tree.
We took turns.
And you took turns to unwrap your present from the play tree.
And the Tweeties took the petals for their nest.
Then the Yummies took a turn.
And Funky and Punky.
So you followed the petals home under the setting sun, where you unwrapped this book, so I could tell the story of two little friends and their busy day, side by side, safe and snug. Now it's time to close our eyes. Good night, MeMo. Good night, Baba, my sleepy, snuggled friends.
Where's Yummy?
green.
Hello, yummies.
Yellow. Blue.
Red. What's wrong? Where's Yummy Dog?
We don't know.
We've been looking for Yummy Dog all day.
All over Planet BeddyByes.
It's not where's Yummy, it's where's Yummy Dog.
Yummy Dog. Where's Yummy Dog?
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 Yummy Dog.
Where's Yummy Dog? Listen. Yay!
There's Yummy Dog.
Thank you. Come and join us.
Flitterbugs. Look at them twirl around.
Yes, beautiful flitterbugs lighting up the sky.
Frama, we're yummy size. Yummy size.
Look at you.
Watermelon, yum.
Delicious watermelon.
Where's watermelon?
You are funny. And you are sleepy. Reaching high, up to the sky.
Thank you, yummies. Bye-bye. Bye. Pretty song, fish singers.
A song for sleepy, tired eyes as you sail on the Lullaby Lake. Breathing gently, barely awake. The sun dips slowly in the sky as it shines on the Lullaby Lake. MeMo, Baba, breathing deep. You're both on your way to me. Are you ready for a story to send you to BeddyByes?
Yes, Grandma Liba.
It was a day like today when you played Where's Yummy?
Where's Yummy?
Then you played the game using a beepy horn.
It went beep when we saw a Yummy.
But the Yummies weren't playing a game. They were looking all over Planet BeddyByes for Yummy Dog.
Where's Yummy Dog?
So you called for Yummy Dog, who heard you and the beepy horn all the way home in time to eat.
Watermelon, yum.
Then to the Bay of Books, where I tell the story of two little friends and their busy day. Side by side, safe and snug. Now it's time to close our eyes. Good night, MeMo. Good night, Baba. My sleepy, beepy friends. And that yellow block is the same colour as you, Baba.
Yellow, like Baba. What else is like MeMo and Baba? Here come the Tweeties. What's it doing?
I think that Tweety is trying to tell you something.
That Tweety is yellow like Baba. Yay!
MeMo.
Baba. Green.
Blue.
Red. Red like MeMo.
Yellow like Baba.
Come join us.
Flitter bugs. Look at them twinkle and shine.
Yes, beautiful flitterbugs lighting up the sky. There you go.
Look, Grandma Liba, for a yummy size. Yummy size.
So you are.
We've made a tomato omelette.
The tomatoes are red like MeMo, and the omelette is yellow like Baba. It's time to go now.
Oh, there's nothing like a good stretch after a busy day.
Thank you, yummies. Hi, Funky. Hello, Punky.
Breathing gently, barely awake. The sun dips slowly in the sky. It shines golden on the lullaby lake. MeMo, Baba, breathing deep. You're both on your way to me.